Happy New Year, everybody. 2023, and let's start off this new year right. And we're gonna start this new year off right by saving some money on Google Ads. They have a $500 credit that they are giving out to people that are a new user to their product. What they consider new is anybody that is obviously brand new, but also anybody that has started their first campaign within the first 14 days. So if you're within the first 14 days that you started your new campaign, your first campaign, then you still apply to add this credit to your account. You could have the option to start a new account under a different email. That might work, might not. You might want to try it out, see if it works for you. I mean, what's the worst that could happen? At any rate, let's go over a few terms and conditions that Google Ads has for using this particular credit. Now, I already gave you one, so let me go ahead and give you another. Now, another term that Google has with this is it says only available while supplies last. Like it's a t-shirt or something, like it's a physical product. Man, this is, y'all can keep this up here as long as you want. You know, they ain't got an expiration date. The next thing is that this is for $500. This is not a match up to $500. So you have to spend $500 in advertising. It can't be $500 in advertising plus tax. $500 in advertising, then whatever else you're gonna have to spend in tax, then you'll be then you'll be eligible for the $500 credit. The next thing is that once you apply this coupon, you got 60 days in order to spend $500. Once you do that, it'll be about 5 or so business days before the rest of it is applied. The actual credit is applied to your account. Then you'll have another 60 days to spend the $500 credit. With all that being said, the last thing I want to go ahead and say about this is that I have a link for US only. Now, this isn't the only place that they have this credit going. I know that they've had it in Canada, they've had it in Australia and other places that like places in Europe. So check out your particular region and then just Google Ads credit should pop up. And if I find anything, I'll have it in the descriptions. So check the descriptions first. And then if you don't see anything in your region, then you know what to do. So with that being said, what you need to do is go to this particular website right here. It's Google Ads, but you can see it says learn more, and you can see that it has the $500 credit I was talking about. You can go ahead and just claim the offer. Once you claim the offer, it will redirect you to your account if you're already signed in. If you're not signed in, it'll ask you to sign in. And with that being said, you can see my account is suspended. I don't know why my account is suspended. Actually, I do know why my account is suspended. It's because I ain't been using it. That's why. But you ain't got to worry about that. If your account ain't suspended, it should apply to your brand new account. You know what I'm saying? So, well, also with that being said, if you go over to settings and then you could go to billing and payments, you'll have over here, got promotions. You can see in promotions, you'll be able to see that your credit has been applied here. So if you don't see your credit applied here, then you might want to reach out to Google support and then ask them why the credit has not been, added. So for all that being said, that's all you need to know about the Google Ads credit. Hopefully the information was useful to you. If it was, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. And last but not least, I want to go ahead and say, make sure to check me out on other social media. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, other stuff like that. Also check out YTutorials website, ytutorials.com. Got a bunch of different articles up there that you can go ahead and use, some recommendations, and other things like that. You might want to check that out. I want to give a shout out to AJ's Green Topics. He has a channel about a worm farm. So if that interests you, I suggest you check it out. If you want to get a shout out for your channel in the next video, make sure that you leave a comment in the comment section. I'll pick one at random and give you a quick shout out in the next video. All right. Thanks for watching.